Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out from Google account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing you will do is simply gonna go ahead and access your Gmail over there in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can find this kind of home interface, right? So in the scenario for you to remove your Google account or signing out is, you can go ahead, tap on your profile icon that will be on top right corner of your mobile screen. Once you have done so, you can find all of the accounts that are available in your account. So for me, I only have one account available on top. So if I would like to sign out from it or remove it, I can tap on this option called manage accounts on this device. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will show this kind of interface, right? If I would like to remove my account, what I will do is I can simply tap on my account's profile, and this will give us an option called remove account option. We can go ahead, tap on it, and then our account will be removed. And make sure in the sync account, go ahead, tap on it first. So you can see these services are synced with, so make sure you turn off them as well, and then you go back and tap on this remove account option and tap on this remove account confirmation, and you will be able to remove your account from your device like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.